What's up, guys? Pretty cold out today. I'm already kind of freezing. We just got out here. I got thermals on, thermal pants on, but just a t-shirt and hoodie on the top. And I'm already cold. I got Jono behind me. And we're not really sure where this trail goes. So we're gonna find out today. There's a reason I've never gone up this trail. Good start. Yeah. I know. Screw it, I went through it. Whoa, almost whiskey throttled that. Lean. Oh! Down he goes. Dude, that just looked like someone shot you. You're just like, you're just like slumped over.
Yeah, dude, it's a little greasy there.
Oh yeah. So it turned out that trail was kind of short and it just led to other trails that we've already ridden, but screw it. I'm really in need of some new spots. I get tired of riding the same trails over and over, but either way, we still have fun. Oh shit. A nice drop off. Whoop. There we go. Part of me wants to get out the other camera and hit that puddle at like Mach 2. But for a guy who just broke his wrist, I probably shouldn't be taking chances like that, because having a broken wrist sucks ass. No problem. Not as slippery as I thought. Yeah, boy. That's how you do it. Oh. I have a suspicion my feet are gonna get wet right now. Damn. across this, but it was nowhere near like this. Looks like we could ride on the edge for sure.
Yeah, this goes around quite a bit easier.
I don't know where that trail goes.
Does it comes out right here?
Oh, it does?
Right on the other side.
Yeah, let's take that, I guess. We've had so much wind lately, so many trees down. So slippery. Wow, that was weird. Oh man. Ow. Stop it, trees! Stop it! Stop getting in the way! Like ice. Really hard to see this trail. I love it when a dirt bike ride ends with a nice destination like this, because we didn't even think we were coming out here today, and we get tired of riding the same old trails, but you know, we were just talking about how even when you ride the same trails, they're different all the time because the weather changes, and today there's a lot of water and stuff. So every time you ride the same trail, it's a little bit different, and look where we ended up, you know. Oh, he's getting wet. That's wet feet right there. Oh, I hope I don't get wet feet. You got wet feet now. Come on, stay running, please. Dude. got some good like obstacles. There we go. There we go, cut some air. Oh my God. There we go. You gotta love a little jump on the trail. Gotta love a little jumping action when you're trail riding. I think we went up here. That might be easier. Maybe not. I'm never gonna make it up at this angle, I don't think. Yeah, there we go. Oh shit! Note to self, don't go that way. Hell yeah. Man, this is one gnarly trail. I like it though. Just a little tiring. I ain't no spring chicken no more. Holy shit, that was sketchy. I almost went down there. Almost went down.